What are we doing today, Dave?
W brace.
On your car.
My car.
Cool. So yeah, replacement W brace. Nobody wants to buy another OE one. This is usually the lowest point on the vehicle, so it gets the absolute crap beat out of it. They end up bending, bolts rusted out. They now make a replacement. Here in just a second, we're going to show you guys how easy it is to throw these on, because it is just undo some bolts, take your old one off, if you even have the old one, and throw the new one in. Let's get it open and start taking that old W brace off. It's so light. Check it out. Haha. Gotcha. So yeah, super light, super rigid, nice vibrant red. All right, so we got our 14. We got 2 driver, 2 passenger that are right in the middle of the W brace. And then there's 3 12s on either corner on the outside edges. So we'll get these guys off first. Do you see all that dust, Dave? By dust, I mean rust. By rust, I mean asbestos. Yeah. I'm installing a W brace as best as I can. Cool. 4 14s. Switch to the 12 mil. We're gonna grab these 3 guys right there. And then now we need intern help. Thanks, Sid. Ooh. Oh, we got pep. Oh. When did you go off track? Like, nice. What do we say?
Throw it away.
Throw it away. Alrighty. So, new W brace. And then we got the old bolts out. I got my new outer bolts. There's 3 on either side, so a total of 6 outer 12 mils and 4 new inner 14 mils.
I have a question. Is this Dave's D?
That?
Yeah. That's why y'all give him so much crap, right?
Yeah. And plus, he just stands behind the camera while I
Work on his car.
Yeah.
I like it. Give me a high five, Dave.
Work smart, not hard, right?
That's right.
All right, so if you look on the Z1W, you got a little hook here. So what I'm gonna do, that's this outer one here. I'm just gonna give it a couple threads on both outers, just to get these guys started. That way it you won't be able to let go of it fully, but that way I got a support. There we go. Actually, let's grab 2 of the 14s, put those there, and then I'll run around the rest of the hardware. So now I'll run one of these 14s in. Again, just a couple of threads. We'll get them all started and then we'll tighten them all up at once. That way we know all the bolts are in, tight and fit, right? You should never tighten one bolt all the way up whenever you're doing anything like this. There we go. There we go. So we got all the hardware in just a little loose. Gonna run them in with an impact. I'll switch to my 12. Come to the driver's side. And now we'll do our final tighten. Most of us just do it with the impact. We'll go around with hand tools just to make sure they're all 100% snug. If you are one of the guys that are particular and you like to use the factory torque specs, you can always find them in the install guide found at the bottom of the listing. So that's it. That's how you put a W brace on a 350Z. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what how-to video you would like us to make next.